Hi everyone, this is Jamila from Love Mila. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today is a little different from my usual content. It is April in the South and we are a little bit late, but we're starting some seedlings. And so I wanted to show you all our process of that. I'm also going to show you a few things that I'm going to be growing. We're not like sponsored by anything, so this is just how we do it. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put it on a time lapse because it's gonna take a little bit of time. Here, I usually use just organic seeds, non-GMO seeds. So anyway, I'm just gonna get started on that. Baby's sleeping, so I only have a little bit of time. But anyway, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I got some cucumbers, double pickling, and this one is burpless, which means it doesn't have the spines on it. And tender green, which is long, darker, good for slicing, which my son loves. And this is kind of a mix of things. I have a flower garden bundle. These are calendulas. We have lots of marigolds already. This kind of this isn't all from Epic. A part of it to be a tea garden. We have grown chamomile before, so I saw these. Wanted to try them out. Things like pumpkins. I really want to sow these in the ground though, so I'm going to separate them. These are bush beans that shouldn't be in here. Basil. But back to the tea. The tulsi. This is we have lots of tomato, but I wanted to try this one. It's a black tomatoes, but it's a larger black tomato. Sometimes we do black cherry tomatoes, but I want larger tomatoes this year for more canning purposes. This cabbage I'm not going to grow because it's too hot for it. A lot of different types of, we have a lot of winter squash already, but this is a bushing variety, which I've never tried before, so I just wanted to try it. Probably put it in a container once the seedling gets large enough. And we always do our squashes and cucumbers still in our trays in the small pots. So we're going to try that again, as well as I have some watermelon seeds and we're going to use those as well. I have more, but this is just a few that I just wanted to show you all. All right, now put 2 in.
Where y'all headed to?
Push it in gently, okay? And then, yep, just a little bit over it. Not gently, okay? Because the seedlings have to come up. All right, that's it. All right. So this is just us marking everything, putting seeds in, and that we're planting everything that we want to. I just have you on a time lapse now, and making sure that all of the soil is in and different things added to the soil that we wanted. And this is it. I had to get the baby. Do you want to say anything? We're going to end the video right here.
Happy growing.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share with others. I hope that you all are getting started too. Let us know in the comments what you all are planting and what the weather is like where you are at. Mostly people do their seedlings like indoors, but as you see, we're nice enough so that we can do it outside. So that's why we're doing it this way. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.